Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an inequality, specifically solving for a variable within an inequality. Okay, so they've said to us solve for m, so I'm going to do that one first. So 2.2.1, so we've got minus 11 is smaller than or equal to 3m minus 8 is smaller than 4. Right, so remember our focus is the center bit, and we need to try and get this m by itself. So again, we're going to focus on getting that guy away from the m, and then we'll focus on getting that guy away from the m. Okay, so in the first step, we need to get rid of this negative 8. So what we do there is we're going to add 8 to the center, but we need to do the same thing on either side. So if we add 8 to minus 11, we'll be left with minus 3. 3m, so we've got rid of that negative 8. And then we're going to add 8 to the 4, which is going to give us 12. Now we need to divide by 3. So if we divide the middle by 3, we need to divide either side of it by 3 as well. So negative 3 divided by 3 gives us minus 1. We're left with the m in the center. And then we've got 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4. And now we have solved for m. So m is some number between minus 1 and 4. Then they've said to us, hence write down the numbers of integers that satisfy the equation. So we need to know how many integers solve this equation. I'm going to give you a demonstration by showing you a number line. And it's going to be from minus 1, then that's 0, then that's 1, then that's 2, then that's 3, and then that's 4. Right, so we know that m lies between minus 1 because it's equal to, so that's a closed dot. And then and then it's smaller than 4, but not equal to it. So it's going to be an open dot. And it lies somewhere between these two. So let's count the number of integers that it lies on. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is not included. So that means the number of integers. So the number of integers is 5, and that gives you the answer for that second part of the question. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check them out in the description below. Also remember to head over to our website to find more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.